What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today we have the Geotag with us to unbox and review. This is Geo's first attempt at making these kind of trackers, and this is going to be a really cheap alternative to Apple's AirTag, which goes for around 3500 rupees, while this one comes at only 750 rupees. And of course, being this cheap, this does not comes with all the features that Geotag have, and it's basically a Bluetooth based tracker. So if you are around this tag, you can track your devices, and there are some features which let you know the location of the device, and we're going to explore them later in the video. But first, let's unbox it and see what we get inside the box. So as you can see, there are some features listed, so you can find your thing. Just tap the GeoThings app. You can get disconnection alerts. You can know your disconnection location. So this is the same thing that I said earlier. And then get help from Geo community, locate your phone, and that's it. So let's unbox this thing and see what we get inside the box. Alright, so let's go. So this is how it looks like. This is the QR code to download the GeoThings app. Here is some documentation. Let's keep it aside. And this is the Geotag. So it's really small, really slim, as you can see. So let's see what else do we get in the box. So this is a small double-sided tape which helps you to stick it to something. And then we get a spare battery, which is a really nice thing. So this is the Geotag. It's really small, really slim, and it has a button right here. This is a button, and it has an LED indicator right here, which I'm going to show you later in the video. There is a lanyard here which helps you to attach to things, and that's pretty much it. And yes, there's a buzzer, so there's a little opening for the loudspeaker. Then there's this little opening to actually open the Geotag. Let me just try that. So I got it open, and there's not much to see inside. There's the battery compartment. You can replace the battery like so, and there's the button inside this hole that presses with this little nib, as you can see here. And this is some sort of connections which connects to this ring. I don't know what it does, but yeah, it's there. There is an LED inside this. Okay, let's close it. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how you can set it up and use the Geotag with your smartphone. Alright guys, now let's see how you can set it up on your smartphone and get it working. So there is this app called GeoThings. This app is available for both Android and iOS. So there are a couple of features which we're going to explore. But first, let's connect the Geotag. So just tap on Geotag, enable Bluetooth, enable location. And as it says, I'm going to tap and hold the button on the Geotag. See, it beeps. Now I'm going to tap on search, and it should, yeah. So as you can see, it appeared right here. Just tap on this plus icon. So as you can see, it beeped again, and now these are the details that you can add to that tag. So I'm going to select wallet, I'm going to name it wallet, and tap on add. Successfully added, and there's your home screen, and this is the AirTag that we just set up. So that's pretty much it for the Geotag. If you want to buy it for yourself, the buy link is in the description, so you can go ahead and check that out. And that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.